The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Oops, I farted. Southern County until 8. Darn, I can't stop passing wind. Ugh, I'm sorry guys, but I can't make an EAS announcement and fart at the same time. You know what? Just look at the scrolling message while I tell facts about myself. I'm a husky guy. I ate too much. What did I eat too much of? 15 Hershey chocolate bars, 3 Almond Joys, 20 Take 5 bars, 18 Reese's peanut butter cups, and 6 Three Musketeer bars. That must be one heck of a lot of candy. Well, I'm going to fart, so excuse me. Just lower the volume on your TV or just mute the speakers.